Why aren't people talking about this? The weight of clouds will blow your mind. Alright, picture this. You're looking up at a fluffy, innocent cloud. Seems light, right? Wrong. A single cloud can weigh around 1,000,000 tons. Yep, you heard that right, 1,000,000 tons. Here's the breakdown. Clouds typically have a volume of about 1 cubic kilometer, and their density, around 1.003 kilograms per cubic meter. That's just 0.4% less dense than the air around them. It might look like a floating pillow, but it's more like a sky whale in disguise. So next time you gaze up, remember, there's 1,000,000 tons of cloud just hanging out above you. Mind blown yet? If you thought clouds were light as a feather, think again. Nature's